So this is a video to make a needlebook following the Valen Studio pattern. We begin by printing and cutting fabrics, following the templates of the pattern. We begin by bringing in block A, which would be the front of the needlebook. Then we bring in block D, which is the pocket attached to the front of block A. We attach it with an angle. This is how it looks from the back. Once the one side of the pocket is attached, we begin by stitching the top of the pocket. When the top stitch is done, we turn the front over and bring in block B. So there's a position marked on block B where a snap closure would go. So I will be using a magnetic closure, but you can use any closure that you want. We would only use one side and then flip it over. Now if you look at block A, there is a pointer to attach another closure. So this time I'm attaching it through the both layers. Once both closures are attached, bring in block C and hem around the shape of the needlebook. So when we reach near the pocket, we will fold the pocket in a way that we bind it along the edges of the needlebook. So we continue to hem through the needlebook, making sure we are taking in all the layers. Once all the stitching is done, we basically have the main block of our needlebook ready. Then we bring in block F, which would be a detachable section on our main needlebook. We fold the fabric of block F and sew two sides, making sure one side is open so we can turn it out. So now we will put the other side of the snap closures so this part can be attached to the block B of the needlebook. So the last part of this pattern is to attach a pocket on this detachable section so we can add extra notions in this pocket. So now we will attach the final snap closure, which would be used to open the needlebook. Again, I'm using magnetic snap closures, but you can use any closures that you like. So now the needlebook is ready, and then you can add your favorite needles, swatches to patch, your favorite threads or scissor, or anything that you like to sew with.